think it's a bird.
Cuddle. Oh. Kiss. Mwah. Hello. It's Wednesday, I think. I don't know, all the days seem to go into one at the moment. So yes, it's sunny! Well, it was. Gone now. Still blue up there. Must have hid behind a cloud. But it's still pretty cold. And apparently the weather forecast says there's going to be wintry showers today. So that'll be nice, won't it? Wintry showers. Yes. At the end of April. I realised, as I was saying it probably, but mostly as I was watching it back, that some of the things I was saying about my wife's cooking yesterday, I may have come across as a bit of an arse. I know, obviously, that you know, it's not to my taste, but it obviously is to hers. But it burns me. But you know, I do appreciate her cooking, and when she cooks for me, it is very, very nice. When it's not covered in loads of spice, it is very, very nice. Brilliant, in fact. So I just want to clear that up. Have you ever noticed how most of the cars on the road seem to be hatchbacks? I don't know if that's a convenience thing or if they're producing more hatchbacks, but there doesn't seem to be that many cars with boots. Not many saloons on the road anymore. I wonder why that is. Had a bit of a shave this morning, had a bit of a neaten up. Realised I was looking in the mirror at someone who looks like they've been on an island for 6 months. Well, maybe not 6 months, but a month. Well, maybe a few weeks. Well, maybe a week. Wonder if the protesters are out there again today. Oh, yep, there they are. Oh, 7 today. 2, 3, 4. Oh no, still 6. Still the same 6. But now they've got orange vests. Ooh, getting serious. And no, not that one. No, 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 no. And you do. And beep beep. Is it you? Go on, you do it.
You drive it. You drive.
No, 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 no. You're gonna snap it. And beep beep. You say it's beep beep. And cool. No, you don't want them. Ready? You don't want them on, do you? And oh, mind your head. Ready? No, 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 no. Ready? Here we go. And trying to get out. Oh, you've opened the door. You've opened the door. No, you don't throw it out, thank you. Excuse me. Stop throwing toys out. Stop. You're not supposed to stand on your steering wheel, you're supposed to play with it. I don't want to give you this anymore, so I'm worried you're just going to throw it out. Is that what you're going to do? Mr. Destructo? Okay, give me a kiss. Mwah. Thank you. Good boy. Hello! Thursday. It's going to be one of those days. Whenever you're running a little bit late, you always get every hold up in the world. And that's what's happening this morning. Usually the little road that comes out of mine, I just go through, no problem. This morning I had to pull over 3 times because of cars coming the other way. And then when I get to the main junction, usually maybe wait for one car and then go. This morning, like 20, a whole line of them. It's going to be one of those mornings. Using my smartwatch again this morning, my Samsung Gear, or my Samsung Galaxy Gear. I say it right sometimes, it's too early in the morning. And I haven't used it for about 7 or 8 months, and just sat there and the battery died completely. So I haven't been using this thing, and I went to charge it and it wouldn't charge. So I looked online, and apparently when this happens, the only way you can charge it is by plugging it into a computer, because plugging it into a wall makes no difference whatsoever. Weird that. So I did that and it worked. So now we're fully charged. It's great. Obviously now it's fully charged, or even when it's a little bit charged, you can plug it back into the wall and it charges quicker than it does on a computer. Again, no idea why. Perhaps obviously the computer is not pulling as many volts, or as the output is not the same as a wall socket. I don't know. So yes, that's working. And this morning I glued my shoe back together. My shoe fell off the sole. Half the sole was flopping away. I caught it on a stair at a young person's house. I was coming downstairs, and the front flipped away, and it was a flip, 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 flip on the bottom of the shoe. So I glued it this morning, and it seems fine. I'm just hoping that it's dry completely and I'm not putting my foot in it, and then tonight I can't get my foot out of my shoe. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? Maybe I could invent that actually. Sock and shoe, or the shoe and sock. Basically you just put your foot in now, because you can't wash it, can you? No, stupid idea, forget that. But at least it's sunny. Woohoo! Yeah, that's still there. I really can't believe how nice the weather is this morning. It's not cold either. It seems that maybe the cold front has moved on and the sun is back. However, the weekend's coming, and although I've got lots of writing to do, it would be nice to get out in the Mustang, but you can guarantee, because it's bank holiday weekend, it's gonna be raining. You know, I don't want to preempt it, but it usually is. Good afternoon, finished for the day now, just heading back to home. I'm going to stop somewhere on the way, going to pop and see Jamie at Hydrographics, and go through what's going to be done to my engine bay in the Mustang, and give him some idea of what needs to be done to each part, and he's going to do some samples of the dipping texture and colour. So I'm going to go for a carbon orange on some of the parts, and orange ghost flame on some other parts. So yeah, just going to pop in there, and then it's home.
Everybody's free.
This has been here a while. I don't know if it's the remnants of a bird. Would you mind? The remnants of a bird, or what it is, or a mouse, or... I think it's a bird, I'm sure. Well, it used to be. Minnie, go away. I'm trying to vlog. Hello. 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 Cuddle. Oh. Kiss. Mwah. Mwah. You're a good boy, aren't you? Huh? Yeah, Dad. Oh, I'm happy to see you too. Mwah, thank you. I'm very happy to see you too. Yeah. That'd be nice. No. No, no, no. Not hitting like this, look. Here we go. No. 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 Not hitting. Look at this. Yeah, that's it. Ta, thank you. Say la 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 la. You do it. Go. La 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 la. You do it. Go. La 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 la. La 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 la. No, not hit your head.